Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. And what are we not getting it right today is we are not letting our brain get in between any of our decisions. We are not letting our brain get in the way ever. We have to think, we have to start thinking not with our brain but with our heart. We have to start thinking with this and not with this. You know why I say this? Why do I say this? Your brain comes in the way. Your brain always comes in the way of your successes. Your brain comes in the way of your thoughts. Your brain comes in the way of whatever you think ever. And why do I say so? Have you seen a child? A child whose brain is a little less developed? A child who has yet not seen a lot of things in the world? Have you seen him thinking a lot ever? He just does whatever he feels like doing. If he has to jump, he will jump. If he has to dream of becoming an astronaut, he will just think of it. He'll just say, you ask any child, what do you want to become? And he will say the most weirdest things in his life that he would have seen. He would not say anybody that we think of being, but he would say of some maybe superheroes, or maybe an astronaut, or maybe some army men or something. But the moment somebody asks us, we will be adding a lot of logics to everything. Astronaut? No, I cannot become that. Scientist? No, I can't. Going to the army? No, that is not for me. Being a policeman? No, that is also not for me. Being a businessman? No, that is too risky. I cannot be that. But ask a child what he wants to be. He would never even waste a single second in thinking from his brain, because he would be thinking from here. And you have to be thinking right from here in place of thinking from here if you want to be successful. And there's one problem out here. There's one big problem out here, is that this will always come in between whenever you take a decision. Whenever you make a decision or whenever you think of doing anything, brain is always going to come in the way no matter what. And so what do we do about it? We cannot cut the brain and take it off. We surely cannot do that. So what do we do? I have a solution to it. I have a solution to it. What that solution is, that you have to start feeding the brain the right things, the good things. You have to start feeding the brain good. What the brain has been fed until now is the average things, is not the very good things. What you need to start doing is, you need to start feeding the brain with good information, with good things, good knowledges, good books from the biggest and the most successful people on the earth. You have to start feeding your brain with all of these, instead of feeding what your neighbor is doing or what your friend is doing or what your society people are doing. You have to stop feeding your brain with these informations, what the news channel is saying, what the media is saying. You have to stop feeding your brain with those things, and you have to start feeding your brain with what those successful people have to say, with all the good knowledge that is around, with all the things that is called knowledge and not a part of loose talks that we do every single day. So you have to start feeding your brain with good information, and that is where it will stop coming in your way of becoming successful. Your brain will stop ringing alarms every time. Your brain will stop saying you a no every time whenever you are taking a decision. Whenever you are thinking big, whenever you are dreaming big, your brain will not stop saying you that do not dream so big. Do not think so big. That is not for me. That is not for us. We cannot think so big. We are not destined to reach there. We cannot have that. We are middle class. We cannot think of that luxurious car or that private jet. Your brain will stop saying you that. Instead of that, now the brain will start pushing you. Brain will say, when those people could have done it, you too can. You just have to decide. You just have to think that I can do this and I will do this. And brain will now, with a well-feeded and a good set of information being feeded into it, it will now start pushing you pushing you. In place of coming in your way, it will not start coming behind you. It will stand behind you, and it will start pushing you and make you win and be successful. Thank you.